Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is about creating your custom CRM in Monday.com. Let's get started. Our first step is to create a new board. You can do this by clicking on the plus add button and then select board. This board is the foundation of our CRM, where we'll manage all our customer relationships. Now that we've done that, the next step is to customize the board columns. Click on Column Center and choose the columns that suit your CRM needs, such as text, status, date, and numbers. This helps us because it allows us to track important info about our customers, like their contact details, their purchasing history, and their communication status. Next up, we're going to set up automation rules. Click on Automation on the menu, and then select Create New Automation. This is the magic behind Monday.com. By setting up rules, we can automate tasks like sending follow-up emails when a deal status changes, saving us time and keeping our customers engaged. The final step is integrating with other tools. Click on Integrations on the menu and select your desired tools, such as email, calendar, or other CRMs. The reason we do this is to streamline our workflow and make sure all customer data is centralized in one place. And that's it. You've just created a custom CRM in Monday.com. Remember,